Oh yeah, so I'm sitting down today.
Oh!
But mind you, we've done well because we did a big warm-up, didn't we, using one of the other sections?
We did, we certainly did.
And so that's why we're perspiring and stuff like that.
Glowing.
But anyhow, a workout from the chair. It's amazing how many people underestimate how much hard work it is when you work out from a chair, because you tend to isolate and you work on specific muscles, whereas when you're standing up you use so many other muscles to completely exercise. So we're going to do a full chair workout today, alright, doing everything, so it's for everybody, alright. So if you came on expecting to be standing up, sit in the chair and do this. So we march. So we're going to walk. That's good, yeah. So we're going to do loads and loads of stuff. Ho! Yes, So these legs don't stop moving throughout all this. Alright, no matter what. If the concentration's up on the upper body, the legs still keep going. At any stage, if you feel a little bit tired with the legs, all you do is push up like so, or you can rock back on your heel and up on the toes. Here we go.
I'm an expert at this.
I know. You've spent months sitting in that chair. Here we go, alright. Now bring it in front like so.
5, 6, 7.
Now reach up, right hand first, right, left, right. Come on.
3.
Thank you.
4.
You can count so well.
5.
When we first met, you couldn't even get past 4.
7. Still queuing. 8.
Is that what it is? Push up both hands.
8.
Cheeky.
7. 6. 5.
Yes.
4.
3. Drop the hands down to the side. Tuck the elbows in. Bicep curls. Here we go.
5.
6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now slide forward to the front of the chairs. Keep the legs going. Watch it. Now you're going to go heel and heel. Now use the arms. Going now.
5, 6.
Thank you.
7. 8.
8 more.
8. 7.
Now don't forget, gang, every Monday we post a brand new workout.
2.
Yes, 7. But you've got plenty to choose from on the YouTube channel.
2.
Lift the leg up, and kick. Now this action warms up the front of the thighs.
7.
Now I think that's boring doing that on its own. So hands up, opposite hand, opposite leg.
3.
Stomach tight, stay upright. How many?
7. 6.
Thank you.
5.
Yes.
4.
Yeah.
3. 2.
March it here. Take the hands way behind and up in front. Okay, spread it out. Don't hit me. If you hit me,
6. 7. 8.
there'll be trouble.
7. 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with the legs we go out to the side and in. Stay facing forward. Stay upright. You're on the edge of the chair. Now if that's uncomfortable for you, all you got to do is sit back in the chair, yeah? Now, that's not
4,
interesting enough.
3. 2.
So you can go like this.
2.
See? One hand at a time.
4. 5.
Yes.
6. 7. 8.
Do it again.
8.
Yes.
7. 6.
Thank you.
5.
You sound like a school mom.
3. 2.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Anthony.
Too far from it.
Now we're going to go forward with a heel and heel. Here we go. Heel, 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 heel. Now, make a fist and cross in front like so. Thank you.
6.
Thank you. Now we're going to change this to a knee lift. Ready? Knee lift. Let's go. Knee up. My legs is coming down.
3. 4. 4.
Come on.
5. 6.
Keep going.
7.
I don't need this.
8.
8 more.
8.
Yes.
6.
This is just an excuse to have a rest, of course.
4. Of course. 3. 2.
Up on the ball of the foot. Let's go up and down.
You can see your feet better.
You can see my feet better. I know. Why do some people find it attractive feet? I don't find anything attractive about feet.
I don't even want to get into feet.
No, let's not get into it. Ooh. Okay, rotate.
The random things that come into your brain at times.
Yeah, but some people do find it attractive. I can't think
Still
of.
moving on feet.
No, you can. I feel like like. Yes, the feet keep moving throughout all of it. Okay, now skip. Skip. And if you don't want to lift both legs up, all you do is go up on the ball of the foot like so, or you can do single leg. But everyone else, lift it up. You're on the edge of the chair. Let's go. Up, up.
6.
Yeah, but these things do come into your brain because you read about it, don't you?
3, 2,
Don't you?
yeah.
8.
7.
Thank you.
6. 5.
Oh, you watched that funny program where it's on.
3.
Let's go to the side. Side. Hold on to the side of the chair.
Are we going side to side?
Yes, we're going side to side. Thank you. Funny programs where they look at feet.
Oh, it's your chair
Yeah.
that's making that noise.
Is it? Drop it. Here we go. Heel, 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 heel. See, I was talking about dropping it. I don't know what you were talking about. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Now we're going to go fast, running on the spot. Seated. Go, 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 go. Run it, run it, run it, run it. Go, 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 go. Push it, push it. Put your hands above the heart. Let's go. Legs going up and down. March it. Oh my, that took my breath away. Here we go. Now, this time, the knees are gonna come up, and you're gonna push down same time. So the core's working. Work. 6, 7, 8, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you're gonna stand from, sit here, stand from here, sit here. Let's go out to the side. Out, in, out, in, out.
3. 4.
That's good. So,
5.
because that's quite easy, now here's what we're gonna do.
8.
Watch it. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just on your right leg alone. Right leg alone. Lift it up. Up. Now make sure the heel goes away from the other leg.
4.
5, 6. Now you're going to take it across. You go across, lift up. Cross, lift it up. Can you feel that?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
4.
Oh, my goodness.
5.
Yes.
6.
Oh, I can feel it.
7.
Yes.
8.
Oh, my goodness. You really feel that working. Oh, my goodness. Inside thigh, abs as well. Here we go. Other leg. Lift it up. Lift up and down. Up and down. Up. Now we're going to take it across. Lift. Lift. Lift.
4.
That last one took the smile from your face, didn't
5.
it?
6.
Thank you. 7. 8. Out again. This time, you point your toes. Point the toes. You can't quite see mine, but you can see Miss P. Watch it now. Ho! Now, I'm not sure how long this will last because it looks like the battery is running out on the camera, but never mind. Go 8. So if we only get 9 minutes,
6.
I'll probably try and join it.
4.
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this time sit back in the chair. Okay. Lift the legs up. 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 Straight leg, point the toes. Feel it work in the front of the thighs.
7.
Oh.
8.
4 more. 2. How many? Oh, that side. Oh, that hurt.
Serves you right.
Other leg. Here we go. Up.
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 more.
4. 3. 2.
1. Rest it. Oh my goodness. I can really feel that. But we're going to do more on this side, all right?
All right.
So you lift it up, hold it there. And of course, if you want to keep your upper body going the same time you can, so that leg stays up, here's what you do. Bend, kick, bend, and kick. 8. Make it double time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, other leg. Lift it up. Here we go. Kick it out. So if the battery runs out for any reason,
4.
I'll say my goodbyes from now, but we're going to keep going till it dies.
8.
4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh that. Sit forward, hands across the chest, like so. Come forward on your heels. Go back, put your back against the chair. Up, up. Take it down, backs against the chair. Up. If you want to make it tougher, you increase the leverage. Out here, like so.
4,
Yes!
5,
Perfect. Yes!
6,
You're so good, Miss P.
7,
Yes! Uh-huh.
8.
Come on. Yes!
And how
Come
many
on.
more now?
4 more, 4 more. It's the abs that need work. 3, very good. 2, yes. And 1, let's make it tougher, shall we? Lift up your left leg like so. Fold your arms. Going down, down. Coming up, up, down. So we're working compound muscles, core, and the leg in front. Oh, I'm going to need rubbing down with the Metro, I think, after this. Or a hot shower.
5,
Come on, let's go 3 more.
6,
Yes! 7, 1 more. Oh, yes! Let's try the other side. Oh, I can really feel that. So we're sitting forward, remember. Here we go. Leg out. Going down, down. Coming up, up. Coming down. Yes! We're almost there, gang. You have done well. The battery's done well. In fact, it's like the batteries in my body. They're running out. Here we go. Down. Yes! Come on, come on.
6,
Yes!
2 more out.
Come on.
7,
Yes!
8.
Oh my goodness. Oh, can I feel that? Okay, circle the shoulders round and round. Very good, very good. We've done it, all right? You guys have done exceptionally well. I hope you enjoyed that, all right? That was just a bit of fun. Sitting in a chair, working out from the chair, showing you that it can be tough as standing up. So listen, look after yourself, right? Try and merge that with one of the other sections that we have on the YouTube channel. And don't forget, please subscribe, all right? It's really important. Share the word, pass it on and tell everybody. It's all free workout with me, Mr. M, and Miss P. Thank you so much for being here, all right? See you guys soon.